I don't know how often it is that the publisher speaks about the book in English trying to sell the rights, but I want to tell you a story about the most important book from my company. When I established a year and a half ago, when I started my company Plataforma Editorial in October 2007, I never thought that my fifth title, Sonrisas de Bombay, would be that important. Actually, this book means the biggest part of the reality of my company. I commissioned this book to a young journalist, a Spanish, a Catalan journalist, who moved from Barcelona to Bombay and established himself in India when he saw an orphan house which was going to be closed, and he saw that 40 children would be taken apart from this orphan house and they would put into brothels in Bombay. He decided that this shouldn't happen, and so he fought for his belief, and then he sold everything he had in Barcelona and established himself in Bombay some years ago, 2004. Today, Jaume Sant Llorente, the author of this book, is giving shelter to more than 3,000 kids, another 3,000, in collaboration with other non-governmental organizations set up there in India, in Bombay. The fact is that this book, which was again published in November 2007, quickly was in the best-selling list from several newspapers. So in a year and a half I've been printing 10 editions in Spanish, 3 editions in Catalan, and I sold the rights to a cartoon. They are going to make a graphic novel of this, and I sold the rights to several languages. In Portugal, Sextante is publishing this book, is already published. In the United States, Paul Dry Books from Philadelphia will publish this next fall. In France, Lafon is going to publish this book with a foreword by Dominique Lapierre. In Italy, Rizzoli is going to publish this. In Poland is going to be published by the Book Club from Bertelsmann over there, and then in Brazil by Larousse Brazil. All in all, a success which was recently increased by the fact that Random House Germany bought the rights. We are actually having this book into 7 major countries, and we are very proud about this. So please have a look at Sonrisas de Bombay, have a look at the PDF file where there is the description of the book. There is an English version available, and needless to say how proud we are that we are now dealing, that the major movie is going to be made with a director of good name, and deals are right now in process. So very proud to say we are the publishers by Bombay Smiles. This is by large our blockbuster or long seller, and the book which is pretty much linked to the history, to the foundation of Plataforma Editorial.